I am just gonna jump right into this video and show you how I made this delicious moist Nutella chocolate chip cookies. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is show you the ingredients that I used for this, and I'm also gonna give you it in the amount. Chocolate chip, and that's 1 cup. Next, I used a teaspoon of baking soda and ½ teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I also used 2 teaspoons of vanilla, a little bit of red food coloring, that's the gel coloring, just to make it a little darker. Nutella, and I go 1½ tablespoon. ½ cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, along with 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk. Now I'm going to combine my dry ingredients together and set that aside. When I am finished whisking that together, this was a little bit on the easy side because this is the dry ingredients. Now when I'm through setting that aside, I add my butter and my sugar, and I am just going to incorporate this together. Whisk this for about 2 minutes, let it get to that creamy stage. Then after that is done, that's where I want to add my egg. Guys, thank you so much for being here. If you've been here before, thank you so much for being back. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. As usual, remember to scrape the sides of your bowl when you are combining your ingredients. Now, this is finished, and pop that 1 egg in, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and whisk that. Give this a whisk for about another minute until that's incorporated thoroughly. Then add the dry ingredients. When my dry ingredients is finished incorporated, then it's just time to pop my chocolate chips in. Now I use the food coloring because I want to have my chocolate chip cookies on the darker side. I did not want to use the browning in it. I prefer to use the red coloring, which it gives it a darker look when it's finished baking based on the amount that I added to it. Now you can use your hand mixer, or you can just fold that in with your spatula, and then after this process you cover with your wrap and you add this to your fridge for about 20 minutes. When that's done, you remove your saran wrap and then you add this to your baking tray and you bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until your edges are done. This was an easy one to make. These days I try to give you a quick and easy video for you to enjoy, and this one is another one. After that 10 to 12 minutes, that's it. Remove, allow to cool, but before it's thoroughly cooled, you add some chocolate chips on top, and that's optional, but it gives it a good look and you get more chocolate to enjoy. That's it, guys. I hope you like this one. Enjoy. Bye.